Said student, we are on the part 14 chapter 8 science, in which we read health during adolescence, means what effect on the health, okay, how we maintain the health, okay, both things we are going to read in this topic. So adolescence is the period when a child's body transforms into that of an adult, means there is a period or a phase in which a child body get maturity and transform into an adult. This phase shows rapid growth in the physical and the mental health of an individual, and this phase also so rapid means fast growth in the physical and the mental health of a person. So it is important to take care of oneself to stay healthy, and it also affect the future health. So it is a time to take care in a very conscious manner, so everyone could live healthy, and because it's also affect the future health. If we don't care at this phase, we see the adverse effect or the bad effect in the future health. Okay? So, read with the food habit. And adolescence has increased nutrients need and must eat a balanced diet to remain fit and stay healthy. Means all the adolescence has increased nutrient needs, means most of the growth is done at in this phase, so it has to increase the nutrients value. So our body get proper nutrient and we will healthy. Okay, we will healthy and fit. Both overeating and undereating can affect the health. Means if you eat less and if you eat more, both things affect you. So you should take a balanced diet. Adequate diet can lead to stunted growth. Means inadequate diet means which diet is not proper can lead to stunted growth. Means stunted growth means it's sudden stop the growth. If you don't take the proper diet, your growth will be sudden stopped. Okay. So the following tips can be helpful to ensuring good health. These tips you have to follow for making your health good. First, foods including carbohydrates and proteins that are essential for growth must be consumed. Means the food which having the carbohydrate and protein that is essential for the growth. These both things are essential for the growth, so they must be consumed. Grains, nuts, pulse, meat, milk, cheese, eggs provide energy required to various physical activities. These all are feed up by you already. These are not so unfamiliar things. These all are familiar, like egg, cheese, milk, meat, pulse, nut, grains. These all are familiar to you. So these things should be submitted or taken regularly in the proper diet. Okay, because the energy required for various physical activities, as the physical growth is rapid in this phase, so we need more energy in this phase. The next is vegetable and fruits are rich source of vitamins and minerals. Calcium help to build bones. We know this thing that calcium builds bone. Iron help the formation of blood. Iron help in the formation of blood, and vitamin C boost immunity. So we need to take proper vegetable and fruits. Third thing, milk is a complete food and must be consumed every day. Milk is said to be complete food. Okay, and we have to consume it every day. We in that sense here the persons which facing the adolescence phase. It is rich in calcium, phosphorus and fat. So we consume milk every day. Eating regular meal is important. Skipping meals must be avoided. Means we have to take the food or the our food time or the eating regularly meals is important. Means at a particular time you have to take your food. As you decide your breakfast time, lunch time, snack time, dinner time, you have to proper follow it. You need not to skip any one of them. So skipping meals must be avoided. You need not to skip the food. Eating packed, canned and junk food that have very less nutritional value must be avoided. Means the junk food and the canned food or the packed foods, or we can say the market food must be avoided. We should eat healthy food which is prepared at our home. Fruits and vegetables must be included in it. Since girls start menstruating at this age, they must consume food rich in iron, calcium and zinc. As the menstruation is start and the excessive blood loss in this stage, so the girls must consume the food which is rich in iron, as iron is responsible to maintain the blood in the body, and calcium and zinc should be taken. The last one, that do not let media advertisement influence your diet and lifestyle. Means follow your elder advice, your teacher's advice, and do not let media advertisement influence. Means need not to affected by the advertisement which are shown by the media or the television, or you seen anywhere, or the net or the Google and so on. You need not to affected by them. Just follow the proper diet and the advice of your elders. Okay. So thank you class. We continue in the next part.